Okay guys, I'm already in task 20O, which is from the section 20.4.2, set using number filters. Task 20O say open the file that you save in task 20M, which is this one, and we have still applied the filter of bin account. And the task says select from all data, so I'm going to select all again. From all data, only the employees where the task code is between 3 and 6 inclusive. So I need to go to the task code section, and I can do it manually, but I can use number filters. Number filters say between 3 and 6. So I'm going to go, you have a lot, those not equal to, greater, greater or equal, but I have one is between. And between, I can again select different options. But is greater or equal than 3 and is less or equal to 6. So I click on OK, and I can see that I have 3 inclusive, 4, 5, and 6. No number 1, no number 2, and I don't remember if there's more than 7, that's 6. But there you go. I've got this already filtered with the required data. I'm going to save this and see you on the next video.